Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about chapter 10, that is mensuration. In mensuration, some of the terms we have to know. The first one is perimeter. What is perimeter? That perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary forming a closed figure when you go around the figure once. That is the perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. But it is a circle, then the circumference of the circle is the perimeter. Right? Now, suppose in this figure, what is the perimeter of the following figures? Sum of all the sides, that is this plus this plus this plus this. Here also, sum of square this, sum of all the sides. In this figure, sum of all the sides is the perimeter of this figure, right? And in this figure also, the sum of all the sides is the perimeter of this figure, right? Now, perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. This is the perimeter of a rectangle. 2 into length plus breadth. Right. Next one is perimeter of a regular shape. Suppose you want to know what is the perimeter of a square. Then perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of a side. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 into length of a side. Right. Now we'll find the various, suppose hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides, therefore the perimeter will be sum of all the 6 sides, that is the perimeter of a regular hexagon, right? Next we'll find, in the next video we'll find with the various perimeter of the figures. Thank you.